Welcome to my SCADA tutorial. This video will show you how to easily send data from MS Excel into the PLC. This can be useful in multiple scenarios, for example, to send XLS-based recipes to the PLC. First, create a simple Excel sheet and fill it with data. Then save the file. Now import the file into the mySCADA runtime by clicking on the button Import Data from XLSX File. The data are loaded in the mySCADA runtime. By clicking on the button Download Data to PLC, the data are transferred to the PLC. We use buttons for demonstration purposes, but you can make this process fully automatic. Download the project using the link below to see the implementation and test it yourself.